Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're following me on Instagram, you already know I'm in India. And this year I'm missing all the Christmas festivities in Canada. So I decided to recreate that holiday magic in New Delhi in my house itself. Today I will be sharing with you guys where do I shop for my Christmas tree and Christmas ornaments from in New Delhi, India. So basically yesterday I went shopping with my brother and wow, that was a tough one. We went to Sadar Bazaar, which is like a wholesale market. It is very crowded, very difficult to navigate through. Here are some clippings from my visit to Sadar Bazaar.
We have come to Sadar today to shop for Gari's Christmas fantasy.
We may have,
Like this.
oh my god, yes, like a flocking tree. Finally.
ये कितने का है?
24650.
Okay, so I think I found my tree. Even though I love this one, but this is like 25 grams. So I think I'm gonna go for this one. Now I'm gonna look for the ornaments. So let's pick the ornaments. We're gonna do a gold theme only then?
I think we should. What about this? Like since you're going for gold thing.
Yeah, we could go for this actually. So today I will be unboxing everything that I got from Sadar, and with my sister. She hasn't seen anything. So let's just welcome her quickly. My sister Garima Tewari, the most amazing jewelry designer of Bollywood, I would say, or Hollywood. She's everywhere. I'll take it. We both are wearing her designs. This is the earring from 80 and this beautiful neck piece. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up. So I think now we should jump into this Christmas special. Show everyone all the shopping that you did. I can't wait. So without further ado, let's get right into unboxing all my Christmas shopping. So first up, we have this set of 3 Christmas presents in gold color. What do you think of this?
Oh my god, this is really cute. I wish they were real presents though.
I know, right? This entire set was just for 75 rupees.
What? Oh, this is crazy.
Isn't that amazing? Now, let me show you some set of ornaments that I got. Like, if you can see, I got these blingy.
Wow.
Then, I got these pine cones. So we can like kind of give a natural feel to the tree. What do you think?
It's reminding me of your tree in Canada.
Yeah, I do.
I love it.
I did use pine cones there. You know what? There's an interesting story. I think once, instead of purchasing my pine cones, I actually went to the park area and I was stealing pine cones from there. Because I thought I'll spray paint them.
Oh.
Okay, Garan picked these ones up and I love them too.
Oh my god, amazing.
Check this one out. Do you want to open one and show everyone?
Sure. I don't know if
Let's
you
show
can
these
see.
guys a close up.
Oh, it's so cute.
What do you think we should use this? Should we cut them?
Yeah, probably. We're gonna cut them and put them at places to add that gold touch maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe closer to the pine cones or something.
Yes. Then we got these with keeping in the gold tones. I'm scared to open it because it has so much sparkle.
Wow.
Can you show it to everyone? Ta-da! This could be a nice earring as well.
It's so beautiful.
Very
I
ornate.
hope you guys can see the detailing on
Let me
this.
just look at this. We both love gold so much.
Yeah.
So when Ankita was designing her first collection, she came out with 4 or 5 different types of styles, and I think one of them that really stood out was the gold collection that you did. So she also kind of pushed me and inspired me to do a gold plated collection with my bags. At that point there were no purses that were coming out with like 22 karat gold plating, and
Yeah.
that is what really made our bag so popular. Finally, the last ornament.
Everything is amazing, and this star
You think-
is like the cherry on the top.
Ankita loves stars, by the way.
I love stars.
She just designed these beautiful pair of earrings.
The star bar earrings.
The
yeah.
star par earrings, and it says STAR on them, and also has been seen on Dina Jane of Fifth Harmony, right?
Yeah. And there was this, it was some Vanity Fair party, I think.
Yeah.
And Anna Wintour, she's the editor of Vogue, and she ended up commenting on the earrings, and she said
That's
that she
insane,
loved the
right?
earrings.
Like, that's amazing.
So they're Anna Wintour approved, and I can't be happier. I'm so happy. Thrilled.
One last thing to show you. So if you can close your eyes, I'm just gonna bring it quickly. You can now open your eyes.
Oh my god! Wow!
Isn't this gorgeous?
Oh my god, this is
And
amazing.
this is the touch.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. That's it for all of my Christmas shopping. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are looking to buy some of these ornaments, you can actually go to the stores I've mentioned in the description and go and purchase these ornaments, or go check out, like, they have a big variety. You're gonna go ahead and put these ornaments up. So we're adding these cute little dolls that we got from Russia. Actually, our dad bought them. Thank you so much for watching, guys. That was good.